Juno Park shares how a knee injury nearly ended her fitness journey, yet she vowed to rebuild stronger. She began with rehab, tiny daily wins, and a steady log of meals that replaced guesswork. Her mantras, "I am capable," and "progress, not perfection," kept her moving through painful physio, careful cardio, and strength work. Diet focused on lean protein, vegetables, hydration, and sleep, while stress management stitched consistency into every week. Now she shares concrete tips from her diary and says, "Start where you are, then outwork yesterday."